Backpacking might seem like an expensive activity for many beginners, but it doesn't always have to be. There is a great deal of gear available that do fit in the term ultralight without breaking the bank. And we're going to show you exactly those in today's video of 25 budget backpacking gear for beginners. The purchase links and updated prices are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's jump right into it. Never be disconnected from people who care about you with the Motorola Defi satellite link, a GPS communicator. This compact device offers two-way SMS messaging and an SOS alerting feature that uses satellite technology to keep you connected, even in remote wilderness areas where cell service is non-existent. One standout feature is its emergency SOS, which allows users to send alerts with precise GPS coordinates, offering critical safety backup. Compatible with both iOS and Android via Bluetooth, this communicator can seamlessly pair with your smartphone for easier navigation and messaging. It's perfect for multi-sport adventurers, whether you're hiking, camping, or tackling remote trails. Affordable service plans make it accessible for most budgets without compromising safety. Designed to endure outdoor conditions, the Defi satellite link is a solid, budget-friendly option for explorers needing a lifeline in remote backcountry locations. For budget backpackers looking for a reliable fixed blade, the Gerber Convoy is a solid pick with its slim profile and rugged design. Crafted for the outdoors, this knife features a 440A drop point blade, sleek stonewash finish, providing versatility for tasks like slicing, cutting, and camp chores. Its full-tank construction enhances both balance and durability, while the ergonomic micarta handle ensures a secure grip in all weather conditions, ideal for wet or humid hikes. At an overall length of 8.52 inches and a blade length of 3.9 inches, it's compact yet effective. It also comes with a glass-filled nylon sheath that includes a removable belt loop arm and secondary retention strap, making it easy to carry safely on the move. Weighing just 4.06 ounces, the Gerber Convoy is lightweight, strong, and designed with lash points for additional versatility, fitting seamlessly into any budget backpacking kit. Weare's small first aid kit stands out as a practical and durable option for budget-conscious backpackers seeking a reliable emergency solution. Crafted from tough 600D polyester ripstop with heavy-duty zippers, this compact kit is built to endure the elements and rough terrain. It's water-resistant, which helps protect supplies during wet conditions, ensuring that essentials remain intact and accessible. Inside, the kit's organized layout is thoughtfully arranged, allowing for quick access to bandages, antiseptics, and more in critical moments. Versatile design, this first aid kit can attach to backpacks, belts, or even bikes, keeping safety supplies always within reach. Emphasizing preparedness, Weare kit provides peace of mind for both solo adventurers and group trips alike, helping you stay ready for anything nature might throw your way. The Evac compression dry bag offers packers a sturdy, space-efficient storage option. Built with an air-permeable, waterproof event base, it pushes out excess air while keeping gear dry, a feature that's particularly valuable when space is limited. Crafted from recycled 70D nylon fabric with an eco-conscious CO non-PFC DWR finish, this bag stands up to rugged use while considering the environment. You can compress your items by up to 2/3, which is a lifesaver for backpacking and other space-conscious adventures. A reliable, non-wicking roll-top closure with a field repair buckle keeps everything secure, while 4 adjustable compression straps with ladder locks and side release buckles ensure an even, snug fit. The Evac compression dry bag is perfect for those looking to keep their essentials protected and well organized without sacrificing precious pack space, ideal for backpackers who value functionality and durability on the trail. The Snow Peak Titanium Mug is a reliable, budget-friendly piece of gear, perfect for backpackers who appreciate both functionality and lightweight design. Made from high-quality Japanese titanium, this mug features a double-wall construction that keeps drinks hot or cold for longer periods, ideal for those chilly mountain mornings or warm afternoons. Moreover, with foldable handles, it's easy to carry and stow, adding to its convenience as an on-the-go beverage container. The mug also pairs well with a titanium sport, making it a versatile and essential item for a full camping setup. Just remember, the double wall insulation means it's not suitable for direct cooking or placing over open flame. Available in 300, 450, and 600 milligrams, the mug strikes a solid balance between durability and practicality, making it an excellent addition to any backpacker's kit.